Tesla Cybertruck gets competition from China's Cyber Pickup. Get out. Stop it. Come on. The Great Wall Motor Cyber Pickup is a 6x6 hybrid?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Look at this one.
No. It's not real. Cyber Pickup. Get out of here. They're not going to make... I mean, it's obviously sick. It kind of actually looks like a...
Like a Raptor?
Or a Ram that's been extended. Hennessy, the company Hennessy actually makes these things where they'll extend an existing truck and charge you like a boatload of money for it. I think there's a video of Post Malone getting his delivered 6x6. Just massive, crazy turning radius.
Dude, the 6x6 looks so cool on a pickup truck.
Yeah, you're ready for everything, man.
Yeah.
Ready for anything. The Great Wall Motor Cyber Pickup was unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show. What? Like, actually it existed? Let me see that. What, these are renders. What did you unveil? You unveiled the renders or did you unveil the deal? Power comes, it's a plug-in hybrid. Look, even the tailgate looks Ram-like with the split opening.
Uh-huh.
Curious. Technically a show truck, Australia's car expert reports that it has already been confirmed for production in China and could be exported. I gotta believe, I've been to China. I don't know where you're gonna put one of these guys. Oh, there's the Hennessy Performance Velociraptor 6x6.
Yeah. It looks very strikingly similar.
Yeah. I think there's some inspiration involved for sure. There's a touch. No, well, just a touch.
This is really cool, though. I just like these really off-the-wall conversions of just like a regular truck.
Mm-hmm. Again, it's just odd that it would come out of China. I don't remember if I saw a single pickup truck when I was there.
Uh-huh.
Obviously, you also have the
so cool.
G63 6x6. I'm not saying you can't get a pickup truck over there. I'm just saying it's a lot of the urban centers are tight quarters. I wouldn't want to be trying to park this baby over there.
Yeah, maybe rural areas.
You know what I'm saying?
Farmland?
Oof, we'll see. See about that.